Protecting your motorhome gives you peace of mind, and it's all about finding the right insurance, whether it's theft, an accident, or a breakdown in the middle of Europe. It's important to make sure that you've got the right coverage for you. There are various different options. You've got fully comprehensive, third-party fire and theft, and basic third-party, which is basically the no-frills option. If you consider your motorhome as a significant investment, it's wise to protect it as much as you can, so fully comprehensive might be a good choice. I know what I'd want for my peace of mind. Third-party or third-party fire and theft policies mean that you'll have to cover any damage caused to your motorhome. So what's classified as a motorhome? Well, it's not just about wheels and a steering wheel. There are different classes: A-Class, American RV, camper van and more. Each has its own charm, but some might need specialist motorhome insurance. If you're thinking about DIY conversions, they're probably not covered, so keep that in mind. Your excess is like the deposit you'd pay for a rental car. Higher voluntary excess could mean a lower premium, but be smart about it and watch out for exclusions. Claims for using your motorhome as a permanent residence or profession might not work. Wear and tear is usually not covered. Security matters too. Just like locking up your house before a holiday, securing your motorhome can earn you brownie points with insurers. Anti-theft devices, removing valuables, it all adds up. An insecure motorhome? Well, that could void your policy, so better safe than sorry, right? Now, if you're wondering how to cut down motorhome insurance costs, there are a few savvy ways to make your motorhome insurance more budget-friendly. You probably already know that paying annually is cheaper, but what you might have overlooked is that your mileage might be a lot less in a motorhome. Less miles normally means lower premiums. Now, where you park matters too. If you can park your motorhome off-road in a secure spot, insurers may see it as less of a risk, and that can translate into a cheaper insurance quote. Ever thought about adding a reversing camera? Well, it's not just for convenience. Some insurers appreciate the extra safety measure, which might shave a few quid off your premium. Oh, and if you've got advanced driving qualifications, flaunt them. It could earn you a discount. Safety features are a big deal for insurers. Some might insist on certain gadgets like a Thatcham Category 1 approved alarm or a tracking system. Your motorhome probably came with a standard immobiliser, but upgrading to a Category 1 system could actually save you money in the long haul. It can lower your insurance premium, and at the end of the policy, they may have financially balanced each other out as you'll have that extra security. Other factors that will affect the price are the type of model you have, how pricey the parts are, your age, and how clean your driving licence is. If you're planning a trip to Europe in your motorhome, consider adding European cover for a smooth ride across the borders. And don't forget breakdown cover. It may cost a bit extra, but it'll be worth every penny if you break down. Imagine the language barrier at the local mechanics. Now, the most important thing to do before you choose your policy is to read the fine print. Check those terms and conditions and make sure that your policy ticks all the boxes. You need to make sure that you're covered for everything you need so that there are no nasty surprises down the road. You can even find cover if you're under 25 or over 50. If you look around, you'll find the right cover for you. If you're interested in finding a quote, click the link in the description and fill out the simple form. It'll provide you with quotes specific to your circumstance from our partners at QuoteZone. If you do find an insurance that works for you, then you'll also be supporting Money Nerd, so thanks.